How to delete a group on email. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are an emo and trying to delete a group you no longer need, then it's actually pretty simple. First of all, open the emo application on your device and make sure you're logged in. After you're logged into your account, go ahead and tap on the group you want to delete from the chat screen. After choosing the group you want to delete, go ahead and tap on the group name from the top left corner of the screen, and this will open the group info or the group settings menu. Here you'll see members, media, notifications and other group options. To delete the group, you'll first need to go ahead and delete all the members from the group. Click on the members you want to delete from the group and tap on the three dots right next to their name and click remove. After removing the person, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the Leave Group button in red. Now click the Leave button in the pop-up and you have successfully deleted a group on email. The group then will be disappeared from your chat list. If you're not the admin, you will only be able to leave the group instead of deleting it. But if you are the one who created the group, you can first remove the people from the group one by one and then leave the group yourself so that the group will be disbanded. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.